The Lummis say this all started way back in 2002 and continued until about 6 months ago. Ancient burial grounds torn up, the discovery made by sheer happenstance. 200 generations of Lummi ancestors are buried on the tribe's reservation in northwest Whatcom County. Centuries of rest, lawyers say, was interrupted by a project to bring broadband internet to customers of Whitby Telecom by knowingly burying lines of fiber optic cable in those cemeteries.
It's disturbing, it's disgusting.
In a newly filed federal lawsuit, the tribe alleges Whatcom County provided illegal permits to Whitby Telecom to dig up the land with an absence of oversight by the U.S. Departments of Agriculture and Commerce, pushing through 2 phases of the project while repeatedly finding Lummi artifacts and, in some cases, human remains. The suit alleges in at least one case, a human skull fragment was lost.
Anywhere in this country, if this were a white burial ground, there's no way, excuse my French, in hell that this would be happening.
Attorneys for the tribe say the work continued for years despite repeated discoveries and would have continued if not for sheer luck.
An archaeologist, unrelated to either party, happened to be walking by and noticed the activity and reported it to the State Historic Preservation Office, which then immediately notified the tribe.
King 5 has reached out to all parties involved and none have provided comment. No one knows exactly how many graves have been disturbed because Lummi investigators have not been allowed to visit the sites. The Lummi are suing for immediate access to those areas, unspecified damages, and their dignity.
As long as this fight lasts, the tribe is going to be there to make sure that this does not happen to their people again or to other folks in Indian country.
The tribe has filed for an emergency injunction to get their people on the site within 30 days to inspect the damage and detail the amount of destruction. On the Lummi Indian Reservation, Eric Wilkinson, King 5 News.